Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 13 Neo, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to find the apps. As you can see, they should be on the third position. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Special App Access, and here we have to find the option Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to install some content. Of course, you can change it. All you have to do is to simply tap on the app. So let me pick Chrome and tap on the switcher here. And after getting back, you can see that from now on, the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps, but be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and be careful. Of course, you can turn off all previously given permissions. Just tap on it again and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So basically that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Motorola Edge 13 Neo. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.